How to hide Facebook Reels permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to hide Facebook Reels permanently. So to hide Facebook Reels permanently, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you just have to go and log in into your account. When logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you just have to press the try bar icon and then go to the settings page. This page, go to preferences. Under it, you'll be able to see navigation bar, or you could find shortcut bar. When you're on this page, go to customize the bar, and here you should be able to see this sort of interface. So over here you should locate a Reels section and then click on auto right in the corner, and you should go ahead and make changes. However, the reel feature is not available, so I'm just gonna go with the video. Press on it and click on the hide button. As you do that, next what you have to do is you need to go to manage notification and make sure to toggle the button for videos as well, and you'll have successfully hid Facebook Reels permanently. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.